Our funding as well is, there's obviously sort of like the turnover side, to actually say the advance size between the 30, rather, the advance size, 30 to 5 million. But also you can pick your terms with retail capital, right? You can pick whether you want to. So our funding is short-term in nature. So we'll play between the 3 to 12 month space, right? That's generally where we'll play. And you can also pick, obviously there's flexibility in terms of what you want. If you want 3 months money, we'll give you 3 months money. And there's also flexibility in terms of how we actually collect, right? So if you opt to say, I actually want a fixed debit order, we'll actually then give you a fixed debit order, which means we actually take the same amount consistently throughout your term. Or we can actually have some variability, which is essentially where our partnership model is, to actually say, let's link our collections, our repayments, well, your repayments, to what you are achieving in your business, which is pretty much predominantly what we do as a business. And then it's linked to your turnover. So if you're doing 10,000 turnover on any particular month, and we happen to have kept ourselves at 5%, we'll take the 5% of the 10,000.